Hello student, in this video you are going to know about the classification of gymnosperm, and before that we are know that there some brief history about the gymnosperm classification. The many system of classification has been proposed that many scientists in 1827 Robert Brown for the first time recognized the gymnosperm as a separate group of plants. In 1883, Bentham and Hooker placed the gymnosperm between dicot and monocot in their classification of genera Plantarum. Another scientist, Van Taghem, in 1898 gave the status major division to the gymnosperm. He divided the whole spermatophyta into two divisions. One is gymnosperm, another one is angiosperm. This is about the brief history of gymnosperm classification. Now we are going to know about the sperm system of classification. It was given in 1965. He divided three classes: Cycadopsida, Coniferopsida and Gnetopsida. Let's see one by one the classes: Cycadopsida, Coniferopsida, Gnetopsida. This is the classification of sperm system. He classified into three classes: Cycadopsida, Coniferopsida and Gnetopsida. The class Cycadopsida has four orders. One is Pteridospermales, Penitales, Pentoxylales, Cycadales. The class Coniferopsida has four orders: Cordiales, Coniferales, Taxales, Zincules. The class Gnetopsida has only one order, that is Gnetales. Let's see one by one. The class Cycadopsida general characteristic feature is include fossil and living form. In the class of plants are mostly including fossil and living form. The stem are unbranched. The large pinnately compound leaves are present. The male cone are large and compact with simple microphyls. The female cones are loose or pinnate. Megasporophyll simple, ovals are large. The anatomically stem with wide cortex. The wood is monoxylic. The class Cycadopsida has following orders: Pteridospermales, Penitales, Pentoxylales and Cycadales. The Pteridospermales order also Cycadophilicales. They are three cycad ferns. All are extinct form. Appeared in Denovian period. Abundant in Carboniferous period. Morphologically and anatomically is similar to the fern and gymnosperm. Cones are not produced. Example: Lechinopteris. This is a fossil plant. The order Penitales, also called Cyclodiales, an extinct group. They are appeared in the period of Triassic, common gymnosperm of the Mesozoic era. The plant bodies are resemble to the living cycads. The reproductive part are flower-like structure. The cones are bisporangiate or monosporangiate. Example: Cyclodia and Williamsonia. Next, Pentoxylase. There is also completely extinct group. Plants are shrub in nature. Stem with 5 vascular stand, each vascular stand with its own cambial ring. The female inflorescence with many cones. It was described by Professor Birbal Sahani. He was the father of Indian paleobotany. Many structures are developed directly or drop shoots. Next, the order Cycadales. All are living present day, that is Cyclophyta. Most of them xerophytic nature. Plant body palm like, very slow growing nature. Stem short, unbranched, covered with persistence, leaves scarce. Leaves are pinnate-like compound, arranged as a terminal crown. All cycles are dioecious nature. Ovules are straight. Example, Zygus, Zamia, Dione. Next class, Coniferapsida. In this classes, large, profusely branched trees forms. Plants with cone-like appearance. Leaves are simple. As far as anatomy concerned, the pith is small. Xylem dense and massive nature. Male and female stobile compact and contain complex sporophylls. The class Coniferapsida has 4 orders: Cordiatales, Coniferales, Taxales, Zincuales. The order Cordiatales, they are yearly conifer, appear during the Carboniferous period. All are extinct. The tall trees with star-shaped leaves are present. Reproductive structure of the catkin-like cluster. Example, Cordiates, Meso, Xylem. These are some common example. The order Coniferales, mostly evergreen trees are largest gymnosperm order, that is living form. Plants possesses xerophytic adaptation. Leaves are usually needle-like and spirally arranged nature. Wood with large number of resin canal. Plants are monoecious or dioecious. Pollination is carried by wind. Example, Pinus plant. Next order Zincuales consist of one extant genus with one species, Ginkgo biloba. Is Ginkgo biloba otherwise called maidenhair tree. This is a living fossil native to China. Now it is endemic to China. Leaves are broad, bilobed with dichotomous veining. Order Taxales. Plants are evergreen, small trees or shrub, and extensively branched plant. Leaves are simple, solitary, or flat and distichous nature. Leaf arrangement spiral. Secondary wood is pycnoxylic nature. Ovules are surrounded by hairs. Example, Taxus plant. The order Neotopsida. The shrub or woody climber, morphologically similar to the angiosperm. Leaves are opposite. The embryo is dicotyledonous. Resin canals are absent here. They contain only one order, that is neat tails. Example, Neotum, Ephedra, Welwitschia. This is about the spawn system of classification. Thank you.